On first looking at this table, you might think, well, that's a very pleasant Georgian tripod table. Nothing particularly unusual. They're not that difficult to find. It's got nice, pleasing colour to the mahogany. It's got quite a nicely shaped leg. Lovely Georgian tripod table. There's far more to it than that, of course. If we look down here at the top of the wider part of the barrel, you can see there's a brass collar, and on that we've got a brass thumb bolt. So if we just undo that, we can see that the table will extend in height and make it much higher if you need to. Perhaps if you're standing to work, that might be quite useful. But also, we can make it much lower in height. And there, you could use it as a coffee table, perhaps with a low chair. So really quite practical as a piece of furniture. It'll also, of course, come apart. It's a campaign tripod table. If it wasn't made to dismantle for travel, it's not something that we personally would be interested in. So let's have a look at that. As you'd expect on most tripod tables, the top will flip so that when you're not using it, you can tidy it up out of the way. But underneath here, we've got another thumb bolt and quite a good brass fitting to secure into it. So it'll help it dismantle. This section will come off. We need the legs to fold as well, of course. And once they don't have the weight of the table on top of them and you lift it up, they just fold on their hinges here underneath the legs. And they reduce into a far more compact shape. But now it gives us an opportunity to have a little bit of a closer look at these legs. You've got a tenon and mortise joint there. The inside of the leg is shaped to fit the barrel of a column. Got another brass collar around here, just down here, just to make it that much stronger. Really quite a simple but good design, like a lot of campaign furniture. And when that's set up with weight bearing down on it, it's got all the strength you need to support the top. So there we have it, all packed down and very easy to transport if you're going off on campaign. Mahogany campaign tripod table, early 19th century.